Today is, let me think about, today's March 1st, 2023. So it's been about 4 weeks since I've been in the shop. I left town 4 weeks ago for a 3-day trip, and it turned into 4 weeks. Can't even tell you how many times I had to turn my underwear inside and out. So anyways, stay tuned.
A quick and dirty video for you today. This was, as I mentioned, March 1st, and I was only home for a couple of days before I headed out again, but the timing was perfect to receive my wing kit. Liftgate service, I think, is kind of a must with this, and also somebody who's pretty clever at getting really awkward long crates off of that lift gate. The box you see that I have right there contains the spars, which are not as long as that crate, but also the longerons, which are part of the fuselage kit. And I think that Vans does it this way because it just ultimately saves on shipping when the fuselage kit gets shipped. So those are extremely long. But everything was delivered with no damage. There are a couple back-ordered parts and then a couple of parts when I got into the inventory that needed to be corrected. For example, I have left and right ribs, and I ended up having one extra left and one less right of a particular rib, something like that. Very simple fix, and Vans was great about it. At the end of this video, I think I do say that I'm going to roll the GoPro and show you the inventory, but luckily for you and for me, I didn't put you through that torture. It's like I forget, 13-page maybe inventory list. You have the skins, ribs, all the major structures, but then tons of little hardware that you really need to be careful about counting out. I did have like one AN bolt and 2 washers missing, and Vans replaced those as well. So, yep, here's the wing kit, and a couple of stills of kind of what it looks like once it's unpackaged. Just getting it opened up here for inventory. On the right, you can see on my workbenches, I've got all the pages laid out to start on the inventory, and really nothing started yet at this point. Once you get it going, the long crates have the spars, including the aileron and flap spars. You end up with a ton of packing paper, which can be fun. I guess it's just a matter of preference, but for me, it worked out okay. That's it for this one. Please like and subscribe. We'll see you next time.